Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing our group 4. We would like to present the result of our project assignment, which is focused on renting studio camera equipment based on real business, namely PSM rental. Before we begin, allow us to introduce ourselves. First, I am Muhammad Hilmi Prastowo with name 072. Next, we have Uray Hilmi Mursidan with name 058. And lastly, Emrido Pandu Pratama with name 065. Now, for the first part of the presentation, I would like to invite Pandu to explain further. Please proceed, Pandu.
I will start by describing my code, which has several main parts, starting with the database class. This class is used to get data from text file. In the private section, I declare array that will be used in the public selection. I define several functions. The first, catalog to get data from text file. Second, synchron default to insert data into array. The third, load data from file to load data from text file and put in to array based on type. Next, I will explain the part of the code for catalog. I will use the Canon catalog as example. The nama Canon function gets the Canon name from array index. The price Canon function get the Canon price from the array index. And the jumlah varian Canon function get the number of Canon variants. Then there is the search Canon function which search for item in catalog using the jumlah varian Canon function to complete the search. Each catalog has similar code structure, only differing in function names to match the catalog names.
Okay, thank you. My name is Uray Hilmi Mursidan and will explain my part. The first part involves input or output class that will be used for data entry later. One example is the print catalog Canon function, which display the catalog with two output, ascending and descending, using a boolean. If ascending is chosen, it will select the first condition. If anything other than ascending is selected, it will choose the subsequent condition. Another function, print search result Canon, is used for searching within the catalog. Each catalog has relatively the same code, only changing the function name to match the catalog name. The second part is a cut class. This class contains function for purchase, starting with the add item function, which is used to add item to the cart. There is also a view cart function to view the item already added to the cart, and a checkout function to complete the purchase, where the receipt of the purchase will be saved to a text file. Okay, that's my explanation, and thank you.
Alright, so in my section, I start with the rental class because it's the final class. All preceding classes will be called into this class using private. Moving on the public section, we have the code per catalog. One example is the Canon catalog function, which is used for printing catalog for Canon product. Before printing, it will ask whether to display them in ascending or descending order. Then, it directly includes the add item function. Next, there's the search function, which is used for searching by inputting the name of the item for search. The catalog is relatively similar with only function name differing according to the catalog name. The next function is display about us and display delivery info, used for printing information only, and there's a footer function to call both of these functions. Next up is the search camera function, which call all search function for each type of camera. Several catalogs have relatively similar function code for calling different type of the items. Then there's the sewa camera function, which called the print catalog function for each type of camera. Again, several catalog have relatively similar function code for renting different type of items. Next are the film broadcasting and event festival function, which call their respective rental catalog function according to their types, and also call the view card and checkout function. Then there's the rent menu function, which call these two function and function from the card class. Next, there's the home function as the main menu, and lastly, there's the mulai function for login input, and if the input is correct, it's simply called the home function as the main menu. In main.cpp, you just need to call the start here function. And thank you. That's from my section.
Okay, I will demonstrate the code. In here we have to log in, and we got the main menu. If we want to rent a camera, we have to choose sewa, film and broadcasting, sewa camera, and choose the type of the camera. We choose Canon, and we can see this is ascending and descending. We choose ascending. We can see in the top we have the cheapest one. We can choose that, and we want to choose how many days we want to rent it. We choose 2 days, and we can see the total. We can add item again if we want it. Number 2 and 1 days. Okay, we can try the search camera. Number 6, cari kamera, and we can choose the type. If we choose Sony, we type anything, maybe Sony. Well, here all the type of the camera in Sony. When we can choose Canon, we type EOS, and here all the type EOS Canon camera. And we want to test the checkout. Checkout. We can choose if we have a letter of the recommendation. If we choose yes, we got discount 50% and didn't get free delivery. And we can choose the payment method. We choose transfer bank and done. In here we can see the total of the payment, and we can see the tile payment has been saved to ringkasan pembayaran.txt. We can see in here is 2 item we add earlier, and here the detail payment. Well, that's all. Thank you. Thank you for the attention and the time given to us to present this project. We hope this presentation has provided a clear overview of the studio camera equipment rental business we studied from BSM Rental. If there are any question or feedback, we will be happy to address them. That concludes our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.